They say all good things come to an end, but not with Grafana. Back in May of last year, we shipped version 12.0, and since then, have been on a very intentional journey of bringing the features the community has been asking for. 12.0 was the beginning of a shift for Grafana, where we wanted to build features to help teams scale with as-code workflows and really invest in the usability of Grafana. Now, over the past few minor releases, you have seen the improvements start to take form. And now with 12.4, the final minor release in the 12 series, everything's really starting to come together. So let's kick 12.4 off with one of the features that's generated a lot of buzz these past few months, GitSync. Now, GitSync introduces a true bi-directional workflow between Grafana and your Git repositories. This essentially means that dashboard edits made in Grafana commit back to your repository, and then Grafana periodically pulls the provisioned GitHub resources to make sure it's all synced up. The self-service GitSync view gives teams a history of all actions taken and an easy way to track changes of your resources over time. Using GitSync is as easy as connecting to your GitHub account, making a change to a dashboard, making sure it's pointing at the proper folder and path, choosing whether you want it to push to an existing branch or a new one, then opening up a pull request. What's really slick about GitSync is you can open up the pull request directly in Grafana and see a snapshot of the modified resource directly in the PR thread. GitSync is now in public preview for everyone to go and use. You can explore the full demo above to see it in action, or visit the documentation in the description below. Now, version controlling dashboards is such a powerful capability, but as I mentioned above, we wanted to improve the usability of Grafana, and that's why we built dynamic dashboards. Dynamic dashboards go beyond the manual resizing of panels in Grafana. You can now use auto-grid configurations that intelligently manage layouts with configurable column widths, row height constraints, conditional show hide rules, all based on variable state or data presence. And one of my personal favorite features is the ability to now group panels into tabs, making complex dashboards dramatically easier to navigate. Now, we've also refreshed the gauge visual, which includes gradients, spark lines, rounded bars, and improved accessibility behavior, making it prettier than ever. This is now in public preview for everyone to go and use. And as Grafana scales across organizations, governance matters just as much as usability. And that's why we are bringing SCIM provisioning to generally available. Users and teams can be provisioned and deprovisioned directly from identity providers like Okta and Entra ID, which automates seat management. And beyond the highlights, Grafana 12.4 brings a range of refinements across interactions, visualizations, governance, and dashboard usability, all focused on reducing friction and improving scale. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for Grafana 13. You're not going to want to miss it.